For me, a Grundfos standard service contract means staying ahead of issues. As a facility manager, I have plenty of things to worry about, but pump performance doesn't have to be one. With a Grundfos standard service contract, I can leave that up to Grundfos specialists. Once or twice a year, at a scheduled time, a Grundfos representative visits my facility, checks the status of my pumps, and provides me with a report on any issues that need to be handled. That way, I always know if anything is stopping my pumps from running reliably and efficiently. And it's all for a fixed fee. Stay ahead of pump issues. Get a Grundfos standard service agreement.